Hi friends, welcome back to Get Updated. And yes, here we have coffee from Harrods. This was a gift, a very special gift that I received today from my mother. So, what else one would wish for in quarantine period? So, this was a gift, a very, very special gift. And Harrods, it really needs no introduction because they are one of the best, right? And they bring the world finest beans of coffee to London and then from London to everywhere. So whether you like brewed coffee or you prefer cappuccinos or lattes or espresso, you can find everything at Harrods. So let's open this gift up and I'll just show you around the packs of coffee. So this is since 1849, right? And you see, okay. So this one, which is their breakfast blend, right? It combines a selection of medium roasted Arabica beans from Brazil, Ethiopia, and Sumatra together. And that's not enough. It is with Indian Robusta beans and then creating a coffee with strong flavor and a rich, smooth aftertaste. Aftertaste is something which every coffee lover is looking for, right? Let's go to the next one. The Continental blend, and it is Intenso. Let's open this one and look at the pods. So we have opened this and here is the pod. Yeah, looks nice. The packing is good, and yes, this kind of packing is Nespresso compatible. So you're right, I have opened this one because that is intense taste, and I'm gonna start with that. Anyway, let's go to the number 2 signature blend. And this signature blend is like whole bean coffee, which is fresh grind, okay? And this is made from blend of Arabica beans again, and this is from El Salvador and Ethiopia. Now this is boasting a balanced body with floral and berry notes. The result is a fragrant cup to enjoy at home, which we are going to do. So that is about the signature blend. And then we have another one, which is Knightsbridge roast, right? So it is Knight, the real Knight, Knightsbridge roast. Now this one is made expertly from 4 types of Arabica beans. So coffee roaster Bartos uses freshly roasted beans from Brazil, Colombia, Sumatra, and Costa Rica to create a truly unique blend. So we are going to discover the Knightsbridge roast, and this will be later. But today I'm going to start with the Intenso. All right. So thank you for watching, and I hope you will also go for Harrods, and we will surely show you a cup of espresso soon, or a longo, right? So it can be anything. Let's see. Thank you for watching. Take care.